Norton Big 4. From 1907 to 1954, the Norton Big 4 was Britain's answer to one question. How do you pull a sidecar loaded with people or gear and never break a sweat? At its heart was a massive 633 cubic centimeters side valve single-cylinder engine, one of the largest in Norton's lineup. It wasn't chasing speed records. With about 14 horsepower, it topped out near 56 miles per hour. But what it lacked in top-end speed, it made up for in low-end torque. The secret weapon for pulling heavy sidecars through mud, sand, or cobblestone streets. The Big 4's 4-speed gearbox, sturdy tubular frame, and rigid rear suspension made it as tough as it looked. Drum brakes on all wheels kept the beast in check, and the front suspension's parallelogram design soaked up the worst roads Britain could throw at it. During World War II, over 4,700 Big 4s rolled into service with the British Army. Equipped with sidecars, they handled reconnaissance, carried messages, and hauled supplies across unforgiving terrain. They were slow compared to solo bikes, but their ruggedness made them legendary among dispatch riders and mechanics alike. Civilian models saw decades of use before and after the war, proving just as capable in peacetime, whether hauling goods, passengers, or even entire families on weekend trips. Today, the Norton Big 4 stands as a reminder that raw pulling power, reliability, and smart engineering can make a machine timeless. If you had one, would you take it to a vintage rally or hitch up a sidecar and relive its working days?